Hello friends, so this $28 action camera on Amazon claims to be waterproof. It does come in this heavy duty waterproof, or at least so it claims, case, but that's what we're here to do, is we're here to test it. So I am going to turn it on, press and hold this button here, and then we are going to dunk it into the water. Just like that. And of course, to get it to stay submerged, we're going to put some weight on it. There we go. So now the camera is down there completely under the water, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a time-lapse video. So a lot of videos I've seen where they test to see if it's waterproof, they kind of put it underneath the sink, let the water run over it, or they dunk it in the water, take it right back out. But that doesn't allow any time for the water to like really seep in there and kill the camera if it's not truly waterproof. So we're gonna do a time-lapse video. I'm going to let it run for 2 hours while it sits in there. Okay, so this is a voiceover. I realized editing this that there is no way to tell that this is a time-lapse video. Whereas most time-lapses, you see like the stars moving across the sky. There's nothing moving in this video. Alright, so this has been sitting in here for a couple hours now. Press the power button, turn this on, and there it goes. Makes a sound effect, turns on. Boom, look at that. Still works after it's been sitting in the water. But let's go ahead and shake that off, and we'll open this, pop this open. And look at that. The camera inside the case is perfectly dry. So, case was fantastic, and it is truly waterproof, or at least this case is a waterproof seal to protect the action camera.